Hey friends, this is Peter, and I'm so excited to be launching The Growth Year, a limited 12-episode podcast that takes just minutes of your day. Today, we're going to slow it down a bit and talk about the reset. Ready? Let's go. In The Growth Year, your purpose now becomes forging a new path forward in preparation for a future liftoff. Date pending. Except this time, it's not someone else's rocket ship you're getting on. It's yours. Spoiler, there's no co-pilot. You'll have to dismantle everything piece by piece. It's a full reset. The beauty of it, retaining the most important parts of yourself and letting go of what no longer serves you. This time away from the 9 to 5 gives you space to readjust, to do what you do best, adapt in the moment. But it won't be easy. Sure, you'll have room to pick up and repair the shattered pieces left behind from the last few weeks. But whether you like it or not, you've just become the sole agent in charge of reframing who you are. This pause isn't just helpful, it's necessary. Early into my layoff, a close friend shared a quote with me, often attributed to David White. You'll know when you're on the right path, as it will literally disappear in front of you. To be honest, I've never been a big fan of ambiguity, what I like to call the gray fuzzy area. But now, there was no escaping it. I was completely unmoored. I went searching for a path in podcasts and books, Googling and chat GPTing my way into answers, trying to self-soothe by any means necessary, building a false sense of control when in reality, I was spinning out. Eventually, I found my way, one of those circuitous paths that just happened to land me in this very seat I'm sitting in right now. If you're like me and have grown accustomed to staying busy and occupied, these long spans of open time aren't liberating. They're absolutely terrifying. Staying idle feels like being stuck in purgatory. But sometimes we need to start again, fresh. To pose questions about the role work plays in our lives and what happens in the absence of it. To sit in silence and uncomfortability, fidgeting our way into the next phase in life. It's the hard reset we all desperately need. This episode was edited in part with the assistance of OpenAI's ChatGPT. Thanks for tuning into The Growth Year. The information shared on this podcast is for informational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional, legal, or financial advice. We encourage you to consult a qualified professional before making decisions related to your career, business, or personal development. All views expressed are those of the host and the guests and do not reflect any official position of their employers, past, present, or future, or organizations. By listening, you agree not to hold the host or guest liable for any decisions you make based on what you hear. See you next time.